How to hide blog author name in Wix website. For example, you can see a blog that I created earlier on my Wix website, and you can see the author name is right here. Now to hide this, all you'll need to do, once you have selected your blog post, you're going to tap on settings. Then from there, you're going to go over to the right hand column, select display. Then you're going to see the option writer name. You can simply untick it, as you can see right there. After you're finished doing that, you can close the pop-up box. Then you'll tap on save. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to hide or remove the author name on your Wix blog post. And if in the future you'd like to add it again, you can tap on settings once more. Then you could toggle on writer name, and you can see it has been added right there. If you'd like to remove the image and only have the name, you can simply untick image. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like button.